Pushti Vardhanam. If I am Pushti, if I am healthy, Vardhanam. That will be increased.
Improves. Yeah.
Increase, like developer of health.
What is that?
Urvarukam.
Urvaruka Miva.
The cucumber.
Cucumber.
Dosa. Urvarukam.
1 second.
Iva. Like Aruk. Bandhanat. From bond. Mrutyoho. From the
A
death.
dot Reddy.
Mukshiya. Liberate.
A dot
Mam.
REDDY. It came or not? Yeah, REDDY. A dot
from the death.
Okay.
So the point is, as a cucumber will be relieved from its own creeper very easily by itself, like when there is a connection between cucumber and the creeper, it is a bit difficult when you just take it out. But when it comes out by itself, when the cucumber is ripe, it comes very easily.
Right.
So in the same way, I'm bonds, like I'm a cucumber of many bonds, many creepers. I want liberation from that as a cucumber come out of its creeper easily. Trayambakam yajamahe. Trayambakam Parameshwara yajamahe, doing prarthana.
Sugandhim.
Sugandhim is its Visheshana. How he is? Sugandhim. And another Visheshana is Pushtivardhana. Both are his adjectives. Why I am praying him? Because I want liberation from Mrutyu. Mrutyoho Mukshiya. I want liberation from Mrutyu. Mrutyu is difficulties. Mrutyu is problems. Mrutyu is obstacles. Mrutyoho Mukshiya. I want liberation from my problems. How? How I should get liberated? Even I'm giving an example of my liberation from my problems. How it should be? It should be very easier as a cucumber comes out of its creeper.
I see.
So, Trayambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukam iva bandhanat mrutyoho mukshiya mamritat.
Mukshiya means what?
Mukshiya, mrutyoho mukshiya. Liberate from me as what? Cucumber from its creeper. Vande Mataram, everyone.
Vande Mataram.
Pranava ma'am, today you are there. I'm very happy. Can you start with some prarthana today?
Yes, Vande Mataram Acharya, Vande Mataram everyone. I would like to start today with Sriman Narayana Gita. गरुडगमन तव चरणकमलमिह मनसि जसतु मम नित्यम् गरुडगमन तव चरणकमलमिह मनसि जसतु मम नित्यम् मनसि जसतु मम नित्यम् मम तापमपाकुरु देवा मम तापमपाकुरु देवा मम पापमपाकुरु देवा मम तापमपाकुरु देवा मम पापमपाकुरु देवा जलजनयन विधिनमुचिहरण मुख विबुध विनुत पद पद्मा जलजनयन विधिनमुचिहरण मुख विबुध विनुत पद पद्मा विबुध विनुत पद पद्मा मम तापमपाकुरु देवा मम पापमपाकुरु देवा भक्तवर्यमिह भूरि करुणया पाहि भारती तीर्थम् भक्तवर्यमिह भक्तवर्यमिह भूरि करुणया पाहि भारती तीर्थं पाहि भारती तीर्थं मम तापमपाकुरु देव मम पापमपाकुरु देव मम तापमपाकुरु देव मम पापमपाकुरु देव मम पापमपाकुरु देव मम पापमपाकुरु देव
Tamam.
धन्योस्मि सर्वे
Uttamam. Dhanyavada. In the last class, Shyamji asked me a very beautiful question. Why did you not taught us properly for the feminine gender words? We practiced a lot on Pumlinga and Napumsakalinga, not on feminine. That's a good question actually. So today we will just practice what Pumlinga and Strilinga, and later we'll go to the Upasargas if we have time. Okay. Hope you will see the screen now. Okay. So today's 21st class, Shabda Rupam. We are practicing of feminine gender words and Upasargas also. If possible, you people try to understand. I'll be talking in Sanskrit. Okay. From today, let us start small conversations. Adya Prabhuti Aham Samskrita Bhashayam Sambhashanam Kartum Prayatnam Karomi Yuyam Api Sanskritena Sambhashanam Kartum Prayatnam Kurvantu Aham Karomi Yuyam Kurvantu Aham Karomi Yuyam Api Kurvantu. Prathamatah Rama Shabdaha Rama Shabdascha evam Sita Shabdascha Akarantaha Pumlingaha Rama Shabdaha Vartate Akarantaha Strilingaha Atra Sita Shabdam Vartate. Rama Shabdam, Sita Shabda, evam Ganga, evam Yamuna, evam Sarva Akaranta Shabdaha, Pumlinge Akaranta, Strilinge Akaranta Shabdaha Vartate. Prathama Vibhakti Rama Shabdam Yuyam Sarve Jananti Khalu. Yuyam Sarve Rama Shabdam Jananti Khalu. Uchitam Mayasa Rama Ramau Ramaha Sarve Vadantu Ramaha Ramau Ramaha
Rama Ramau Ramaha
Ramam Ramau Raman
Ramam Ramau Raman
Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi.
Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi.
There is a mistake. Don't worry. It's a printing mistake. Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi.
Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi.
Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha.
Ramaya
Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha.
Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha.
Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha.
Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam.
Ramasya Ramayoho
Ramanam.
Rame Ramayoho Rameshu.
Rame Ramayoho
Rameshu.
He Rama, He Ramau, He Ramaha Sambodhana. He Rama,
He
Rama.
So we know this Rama Shabda, we practiced a lot. Ramam is Dvitiya.
Acharya Ramanam. Ramanam or
It's a mistake.
Ramanam.
Yeah, when it's my mistake to just take a picture, copy a picture with two mistakes. It's my mistake. Okay. So you know how to now you found out mistake, na? That's what is important. Okay. What is right here? Ramanam or Ramanam?
Ramanam.
Why?
Because Ra
Excellent, excellent, Swami. Here it is Ramen. Is it a right sentence, a right word in Tritiya Vibhakti?
No. Ramena. Yeah.
It should be Ramena. Okay. So we are correct. Print is mistake. So it tells that we observed in a better way. Thank you very much. So now coming to the Sita Shabda. Vana Shabda, you remember what changes we can find in Vana Shabda? Rama and Vana?
Vana is Pradama and Dvitiya are same.
Okay.
And then it follows pretty much same as the
Pumlinga.
Pumlinga.
Very good. Excellent, Swami. Now, coming to the Sita, like Akaranta Strilinga Sita Shabda. Whatever the previous letters or syllables doesn't matter. Ending is important. Anta. Akaranta, Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ikaranta, it differs. So here it is Akaranta Strilinga Sita Shabda. Okay. In which
Is there an Akaranta Strilinga also or no?
till now there is no word, but Ikaranta Strilinga is there.
Okay.
Sometimes
Akara.
Ikaranta Strilinga. Mati Shabda is there. Matihi, it falls like Hari Shabda. Sometimes,
Rama,
Swami.
Rama is Akaranta Strilinga.
Akaranta. Rama Shabda.
Akara.
Akaranta. Okay. So it is Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Same, it falls in the same way, but check here. Sita, Site, Sitaha. So observe the suffix. Antam pashyantu. Shabdasya antaha pashyantu. Ramaha, Sitaha. So no difference. Bhedam nasti. Pradhama vibhakti ekavachanam Sita gacchati. Sita agacchati. Ramaha gacchati. Harihi gacchati. Sita gacchati. Ganga gacchati. So there should be a dirgha in Pradhama vibhakti. In Dvitiya vibhakti, Ramam dadatu. Give it to Rama. Harim dadatu. Harim bhajatu. Gurum namatu. Here Sitam dadatu. Geetam dadatu, Gangam dadatu, you can find Dirgham in Sita Ditiya. Ditiya Bhakti Ekavachanam Sita. We use it more. Sita, if it is two, Site, if it is many, Sitaha. Instead of Sita, Site, Sitaha, we can use as Gita, Gite, Gitaha. Tell me another word for instead of Akaranta Strilinga Sita. Tell me another Akaranta Strilinga. Lata, fantastic. Uchitam, Lata, Late, Lataha. Very good. Next, Dvitiya is Sitam, Site, Sitaha. We can find the both Dvitiya Vibhakti, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam of Pradhama Dvitiya are same even in Pumlinga. Fine? Okay. Come to the Tritiya. Ramena. Ramena gacchami. I'm going with Rama. Ramena saha bhashanam karomi. I'm talking with Rama. Okay. Ramena Vasudevena. If it is Ena in Tritiya Pumlinga, it is Sitaya. Sitaya gacchami. I'm going with Sita. If it is Bharya, then it should be
Bharyaya or what?
Bharyaya, that's it. Aham Bharyaya vasami, living with my wife. Bharyaya gacchami. Bharyaya mandiram gacchami. I'm going to temple with my wife. Sitaya, Bharyaya. Change the word.
Mataya.
Matraya, very good. Mata is another shabda. It is Rukaranta, not Akaranta.
I see.
You will fall to Matru Shabda in the next slide.
Meghanaya.
Meghanaya.
Meghanaya. Yeah.
Meghanaya. Here,
Meghana, Meghanaya.
here Sitaya. It is not Sitaya.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Meghanaya. So don't add
Ramaya.
Huh?
Ramaya.
Ramaya. Tell me another word.
Gitaya.
Add the dhatu and tell. Dhatu is work, na? Any action. Add any action and tell me. See, aham Sitaya gacchami. I'm going with Sita.
Aham Vasudhaya gacchami.
Very good. Add, change the gacchami. Add any other word.
Aham
Vasudhaya kshiram pibami. Annam khadami. Kridami.
Yeah, aham Vasudhaya coffee pidami.
Coffee
Aham
pibami. Very good.
Radhaya
Uh-huh.
Gacchami.
Very good. Gachami, change the word. A only gacha. No, add any other action.
Vadami.
Vadami. Very good.
Patami.
Huh?
Patami.
Pathami. Fantastic. Okay. Sitaya. That is third. Ya. If it is akaranta, sitaya, gitaya. Okay. Evam. That is tritya vibhakti by and with. Sitabhyam if both. Sitabhihi if many. Like Ramabhyam Ramaihi, Sitabhyam Sitabhihi. This bhihi is like Haribhihi Gurubhihi. Do you remember Haribhihi Gurubhihi?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is like this. Okay, Sitabhihi Tritiya Bahuvachanam is similar to Hari and Guru Shabda like Ikaranta Ukaranta. Come to Chaturthi. Ramaya Namaha. Ramaya Dadami. Ramaya Karomi. I'm doing this work for Rama. Ramaya Karomi. Ramaya Vadami. I'm telling for Rama. Ramaya. If it is Strilinga, this Ya becomes Aya becomes Ayai. Sitayai. Sitayai Dadami. Sitayai Bahumanam. This gift is for whom? Sitayai Bahumanam. House is for whom? Sitayai Griham. This house is for Sita. Change the noun and change the verb. Now tell me, form a sentence and tell me.
Latayai dadami.
Latayai dadami, fantastic. Change the dadami. Anyone?
Yeah, dadami means Acharya.
Dada, danam.
Dana.
Give.
Okay.
Change the word, change the noun, change the dhatu. Simple, Swami. Instead of Sita, add any other word.
Ramayai.
Ramayai.
Ramayai. Dadami.
Oh,
Dadami is fine.
change the dhatu.
Ramayai Gacchami.
Ramayai Gacchami. Okay, I'm going for Rama. Very good. Ramayai Prema Patram Likhami.
Hitayai karomi.
Kim Karomi.
Radhayai.
Sitayai Kim Karomi. Doing something. Tell me in English. I'll help you out. You are doing something for me.
Making tea. Making tea.
Aham Sitayai Nirmanam Karomi.
Nirmanam. Okay.
I'm constructing for Sita. Bharyayai Nirmanam Karomi. Very good. Next one. Okay. Swami, change one more example. Change noun and dhatu. Like Shabda Dhatuscha. Parivartanam Kritva Vakyam Vadatu. Sita, Gita, Lata, Rama, Bharya.
Aham Bharyayai Abharanam.
Abharanam Dadami.
Dadami.
Bahumanam Dadami. Aham Bharyayai Abharanam Bahumanam Dadami. Kada. When you are giving famous sentence, add another word. When you are giving. Aham Bharyayai Abharanam Bahumanam. On which day?
Janmadina.
Janmadine.
Janmadine.
Aham Bharyayai Abharanam Janmadine Bahumanam Dadami. See, such a bigger sentence you said, Swami. Once again.
Aham Bharyayai Abharanam Janmadinam
Janmadine, on the day, on. This is on Saptami. On. Janmadine dadami.
Kim abharanam?
Kim abharanam. Make a sentence bigger. Kim abharanam.
Vajrabharanam.
See, this is good how we develop a sentence, right? Very good. Vajrabharanam dadami.
Looks like Bhikshapati, Mrs. Bhikshapati is right there next to him.
Yeah, I will not.
Okay. So this is Chaturthi Vibhakti. Sita yai, Gita yai, evam. Okay. Ganga yai. Next is Panchami Bhakti Ramat. See if it is Ramabhyam, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhya, same. Sitabhyam, Sitabhya. Understand Dirgham, not A. Okay. So Chaturthi Vibhakti Bahuvachanam Sitabhya. Okay. Here it is Ramebhya, Sitabhya. A. Come to the Panchami. Generally we use these things more. First Ekvacham. Okay. Ramat. Ramat, from Rama. Krishnad, from Krishna. Evam Vasudevat, from Vasudeva. If it is Shyama Shabda, Shyamat. In the same way, in Panchami Vibhakti it is Sitayah, Ayah. Okay? From Sita. I took this book from Sita. Sitayaha pustakam swikaromi. Sitayaha from Sita pustakam swikaromi. What it means? Pustakam swikaromi, taking the book. Sitayaha agachami. What it means?
Coming from Sita.
Excellent, that's it. So check out the Shashti, because Sitabhyam is same here. Check out Shashti, Sitayah, both are same.
Two and no. Yeah, I think it's
From
for and off, right? Both are same.
from and off. From and off.
From and off. Yeah.
From and off, both are same. Okay. So Sitayah Pita, what it means?
Sita's dad.
Sitayah Gruham.
Sita's house.
We can't say that house from Sita. So in sentence formation itself, we can understand whether it is Panchami or Shashti.
You can figure it out. Okay.
Aham Sitayah Gruhat Agachami.
I came from Sita's house.
Coming. Aham Agachami. I came
from.
Aham Sitayah Gruhat Agachami. In Sanskritam, generally, when there is a confusion, for having no doubt and for clarity, they'll add some other word. Sitayah Pustakam Swikrutam. I have taken book from Sita, but they don't use this. Okay? Sitayah Pustakam, the book of Sita, Aham Swikrutam. So we have some spaces where to add the space. So if we understand that, this is easy. Even you will not have any problem in sentence framing in our Sanskrit, like in our past poems and all. So they give very clear words. Okay. So for Pumlinga, they add all these Panchami Vibhakti. For Strilinga, they add some other word for understanding. They add Panchami Vibhakti Ekavachanam, and the other words will be very clear. We understand that Panchami turns into Shashti, and we'll read.
Acharya ji, what is gift called? Is it Bahumanam or Bahumati?
Bahumanam.
Bahumanam. So that is coming from, this gift is from Sita. Then we say
Sitayah
Bahumanam.
Bahumanam. Gift from Sita. Gift of Sita. Both are there. So what to understand now?
This, how do we say this?
Once again, Swami.
How do we say this gift?
Idam, ayam.
Oh.
Idam Bahumanam
Idam bahumanam
Sitayaha.
Sitayaha.
This gift is from Sita. Generally, this Sitayaha bahumanam, gift of Sita also same, na?
Yeah, yeah.
So when you use some village names and all, then the Panchami Vibhakti used.
Oh, I see. I see.
In sentences sometimes. Poets never confused us. They gave very clearly. In Pumlinga, they differentiate Panchami and Sashti. In Strilinga, they gave very clearly in Sashti Vibhakti only, generally. Not to have confusion. Okay, in shlokas this is, in generally this is fine. Okay, Sashti Sitayoho, Ramayoho, ending is same. Ramanam, Sitanam, ending is same.
Is that
Saptami,
Sita Nam?
Rame
Nam.
Sarva Gunaha. Rame Bharaha. In and on. Here Sitayam. Sitayam Saundaryam. Gangayam Shitalam. Ganga Nadyam. Ganga Nadyam Shitalam. Okay. Gangayam Shitalam. Rame Bharaha. Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Rame for Akaranta. For Strilinga Akaranta it is Sitayam. Instead of Sitayam, add something. Add some other word. Sitayam Saundaryam. Bharyayam Pakapravinyam. Vakchaturyam. Mama Bharyayam Vakchaturyam Asti. Mama Bharyayam Kimasti? Kutumba Bharaha Asti. Evam Sitayam Saushilyam Asti. Sushilata. Okay. So instead of Sita, we add the name, we change the name, we add the action, we form a sentence.
Evam means again.
Evam like.
Like.
Iva like. Evam means in the same way. Iva is exactly like. Okay. Rameshu Sitasu. I want you to just follow me. Sita, Site, Sitaha.
Sita,
Site, Sitaha.
Sitam, Site, Sitaha.
Sitam,
Sita Sitaha.
Sitaha.
Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sitabhi.
Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sitabhihi.
Sitajai, Sitabhyam, Sitabhyah. Sitayah, Sitabhyam, Sitabhyah. Sitayah, Sitayoh, Sitanam. Sitayam, Sitayoh, Sitasu. There is a girl named Sheetala. Now tell me the Sheetala Shabdam.
Shitala, Shitale, Shitalaha.
That's it.
Sheetalam,
Uh,
Sheetale, Sheetalaha.
very good. I'm listening to everybody. Please, everyone.
Shitalaya.
Sheetalaya.
Shitalaya.
Sheetalaya, Sheetalabhyam, Sheetalabihi,
Very good.
Shitalayai.
Very good.
Shitalabhyam.
Very good.
Shitalabhyaha.
Very good.
Sheetalayaha,
Sheetalayaha.
Sheetalayaha,
Sheetalayaha. Sheetalayaha.
Sheetalabhyam, Sheetalabhyaha,
Very good.
Sheetalabhyaha, Sheetalaya,
Sheetalayaha.
Sheetalayaha,
Sheetalayaha.
Sheetalayanam,
Shitalanam.
Sheetalaya. Sheetalayam.
Shitalayam.
Sheetalayahu,
Yoho.
Sheetalasu,
Sheetalasu. He Sheetale. He Sheetale. He Sheetala. Very good. There is another beautiful name called Shurpanaka, Shurpanakha, Nakha, Nakham is finger, nail. Shurpa is sharp nailed. Shurpanakha. Will the same Shurpanakha Shabdam falls as Shita Akaranta Strilinga?
Yes.
Yeah, try to tell. Any one?
Shurpanaka,
Shurpanaka.
Shurpanakaha.
Very good.
Shurpanakam, Shurpanake, Shurpanakaha.
Very good.
Shurpanakaya, Shurpanakabhyam, Shurpanakabhi.
Very good.
Shurpanakaye, Shurpanakabhyam,
Very good.
Shurpanakabhyah.
Fantastic.
Shurpanakayaha, Shurpanakabhyam,
Shurpanakaya.
Shurpanakabhyam, Shurpanakabhyah.
Okay.
Shurpanakabhyaha, Shurpanakayoho, Shurpanakanam,
Very good.
Shurpanakayam, Shurpanakayo,
Nakayoho. Shurpanakayoho.
Yoho, Shurpanakasu.
Fantastic. Now tell me, Amba is a simple Shabda, na? Amba. What is Amba?
Mother.
Mother. Will it fall in the same process?
Yes.
Try. Lakshma Reddy. Lakshma Reddy ji. Try. Amba Shabda.
Amba, Ambe, Ambaha,
Fantastic.
Ambam, Ambe, Ambaha, Ambaya, Ambabhyam, Ambabihi, Ambayai,
Ambayai.
Ambayai,
Just observe the dirgha, okay? Ambayai.
Ambayai, Ambabhyam, Ambabhyaha, Ambayaha,
Ambayaha.
Ambayaha, Ambabhyam, Ambabhyaha, Ambayaha, Ambayaha, Ambayoho,
Ambayoho. Dirgham, there is no dirgha there. Ambayoho.
Ambayoho, Ambanam, Ambayam.
Ambayam. Dirgham.
Yeah, two dirghas, I'm confused, I guess. Yeah.
Ambayam.
Ambayam, Ambayoho, Ambasu.
That's it. So all ending shabdas, dirgha akaranta ending shabdas are same. Now go to the next one. That is Hari Shabda. Ikarantaha, Pumlingaha, Hari Shabda. Repeat
Can
after
you
me.
translate this,
Swami?
Acharya ji?
Bhikshapati ji.
I am praying Amba.
Okay, tell me, I am praying. What is Amba? I am praying to Amba.
I am praying to Amba.
I am praying for Amba. There should be there. In English, there are few things which we miss.
Okay.
Okay. I am praying Amba. What? I am praying to Amba. I am praying for Amba. There should be something.
Okay.
When you pray, we pray
Yes,
to
pray
God.
to
Na?
God. Okay.
So to, what it is to? Ambam namami. Vidya, when fantastic. So that is important. What is the purpose of your word? Okay. Now, ikarantaha pumlingaha hari shabdaha. Repeat everyone. Ikarantaha pumlingaha hari shabdaha. Okay. Follow me. Hari harayaha.
Hari
Harim hari harina. Harina haribhyam haribhihi. Haraye haribhyam haribhyaha.
Hare Haribhyam Haribhyaha.
Hare haribhyam haribhyaha.
Hare Haribhyam
Hare haryoho harinam.
Hare Haryoho Harinam.
Harau haryoho harishu.
Harau Haryoho Harishu.
He hare he hare he hare he hari he harayaha.
He Hare He Hari.
So this is so. Observe mati shabda here. Ikaranta strilinga mati shabda. Okay. Same ikaranta. Dadji, you asked me na. Some if akaranta single akaranta, not dirgha akaranta. In the same way here it is ikaranta. We can find it. Okay. Harihi. Hari.
Mati.
Harayaha.
Mataya.
What is difference here?
No difference.
Okay. Harim.
Matim.
Hari.
Mati.
Harayaha. Sorry. Harina.
Matim.
Matihi. Matihi. Generally, we don't use this more, but whenever you find this matihi, understand that this is ikaranta strilinga. Okay. Next, harina,
Harina.
matya. Matya, matya, alochanam bhavati.
Is it
Matya.
similar to Sitaya? Sitaya, right?
That is sitaya.
Ah,
Matya. Same, na? Ya is same.
yeah.
Understand the suffix, that is same. The previous word may be different. Matya, haribhyam, haribhihi,
Mati.
haraye,
Mataye.
mataye,
Matye.
matyaye also. Because
Okay.
sitayai.
Okay.
Okay, it is Strilinga, so it follows the Strilinga suffix, that is yai, as it is ikaranta, which looks like Pumlinga ikaranta, so the concept of this will be applied. So haraye, mataye, sitayai, matyai.
Okay.
So that is the oblique. That's why oblique. This or that. Why this or that? Because it is looking like Pumlinga Shabda. So Pumlinga suffix is applied. It is actually a Strilinga Shabda. So Strilinga suffix is also applied. Or mataye, matyay. Anything is fine. Matibhyam, haribhyam, haribhyaha, matibhyah. Okay. Harehe.
Mate.
Same. Why oblique again? The same.
Sitaya.
Sitaya. Sitaya. Matibhyam, matibhyah. Here. Harehe.
Mate.
Sitaya. Matya.
Yeah.
Sitayoho.
Matyayo.
Hariyoho.
Matyoho.
Harinam.
Matinam.
Harau.
Matau.
Matau. Matyam.
Sitayam.
Matyoho. Hariyoho. Matishu. Harishu. So this is a simple Strilinga Shabda which looks like Hari Shabda. Okay. But this should not be followed because this Mati, very Ikaranta Strilinga is very rare. Dirgha Ikaranta is generally seen. So now we'll see that. Okay.
How about Parvati Swamiji? Parvati is.
That's what, Swami. I'm just telling it. Just a second. One second. Okay. Swami, are you able to see the screen now?
Yes.
Yeah. You got Gauri now. Hari, Gauri. Hari, singular. Gauri, sorry. Hari is dirghalas. It is just ikaranta. Gauri, ikaranta. I already told you all Strilinga Shabdas will be mostly dirgha anta only. So now we need to read this now. Okay. This
Gauri.
is important. We can apply this example for all E ending Shabdas. Dirgha ikaranta. In Telugu, particularly Telugu language, there is particular grammar point which tells that any dirgha anta for feminine gender can be converted into hrasva anta. That is Ganga. Generally, you should prolong it. We don't Ganga, Sita. We don't prolong it. There is no dirgha in Telugu language because there is a grammar terminology. Grammar. What we can say?
Principle.
No, there is paribhasha. We call it as paribhasha. So it tells like, okay, no need of giving dirgha to every Strilinga anta. No, but in Sanskrit it is. So here Gauri Shabda Ikaranta Strilinga Gauri Shabda. Ikaranta. Now Gauri Dirgham.
Gauri.
Gauri.
Harihi Gauri.
Gauri.
Hari Gauriyau. Harayaha Gauriyah. Okay. Now Swami asked about Parvati. Will Parvati Shabda falls into the same concept, Swami?
I'm just wondering, Parvati doesn't have the dirgha, right? Dirgha ikaranta.
No. Parvati, it is Dirgha.
So there is no Parvati or Gauri.
Gauri,
Without
Parvati will not be there. Gauri, Parvati.
Okay.
In Telugu you have it, but in Sanskrit you don't have it.
In Telugu
That's
also
correct.
we should,
Yeah.
but due to some grammarian, he told like there is no need of prolonging it because we can understand.
Yeah, same
Due to
thing
that-
like Nadi.
Nadi, not single Nadi. It is
Yeah, but
Nadi.
But in Telugu, Nadi is.
I told you, na, due to one grammarian, he just gave a, some, what you can say, gave us
Principle.
more luxury to us not to give dirgha to every feminine gender word because we can understand it. When you
So
can
it is
understand
like,
it, it's not required.
It is for English. How do we do that? Hillary.
Actually, if you are looking from the window of Sanskrit, it should be Hillary. But if you are in the English window, you need not tell that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so it is Gauri, Gauriyau, Gauriyaha, Gauri,
Gauri.
Tamabalika. Instead of Gauri, what we can call? Just now we decided to 2-3 words. What is that?
Parvati.
Parvati, very good. There is no Visarga.
Janani.
Parvati,
Janani.
Hillary.
Janani,
Lekhani.
Lekhini, very good. Lekhani. Another?
Manjari.
Manjari, wow, very good.
Madhuri.
What is Manjari, Swami?
Good question.
Nothing.
Election.
Where you heard the word Manjari?
The Manjari.
Shabda Manjari. What is Manjari? Is a bunch.
Yeah, it's a collection.
Okay. Pushpa Manjari, bunch of flowers.
A collection.
I think I heard it in a song, I believe, this
Yeah.
morning.
Okay. So Gauri instead of Gauri. Okay. Gauri agachati. Gauri gachati. Gauri khadati. Nadi. If there is a girl name called Nadi, Nadi agachati. Nadi gachati. Nadi khadati. Nadi kridati. Nadi pravahati. Okay. So if it is Divachanam is Gauriyau. If it is Gauriyau, what if it is Nadi Shabda?
Yav.
Nadyau, fantastic. If it is Manjari Shabda?
Manjari.
Manjaryau, fantastic. If it is Gauriyaha, Bahuvachanam. Gauriyaha agachanti. Gauriyaha gachanti. Gauriyaha kridanti. What if it is Nadi?
Yeah.
Manjari?
Manjaryaha.
Manjaryaha, very good. See here, Harim. What is it? Gauri Shabda, Ditya Vibhakti Ekavachana?
Gaurim.
What is in Rama Shabda or Sita Shabda?
Sitam.
What is the difference here?
E.
Ikara.
Dirgha, that's it. Ikara added with Makara.
It already has the Ikara Dirgha, right? So,
Dirgha Ikara, yeah.
yeah.
Sitam, Dirgha Akara. Gaurim, Dirgha Ikara. Why Akara there? Why Ikara here?
Yes, that ended with Akara, this ended with Ikara.
That's it. Simple, very good. Gauriyau, Gauri. See here. Ditya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, Gauri. Do you remember Mati Shabda? What we found Mati Shabda in Dvivachana, Ditya Bhakti Bahuvachanam?
Mati.
Matini.
Matihi.
What is Gauri Shabda? Gauri. Difference?
No difference.
Same. Okay. So Mati. Next, Tritiya Vibhakti.
Acharya ji, Mati, is that just an exception for
Which one?
without the Dirgha Ikaranta? Mati.
Dirgha Ikaranta is only very few words we find in which mati is same. Mati is one.
So what is it? A mati is a noun or a like
No,
a
mati.
okay.
Okay.
Mati
Mati.
ledu, mati undi. Yeah.
Mati,
If it
matam. What is the matam?
So if it is a
Religion.
person's
Not
name,
religion,
No, no,
idea. Matam is an ideology.
Oh yeah.
It's not a religion, it's an ideology. Later we turn into religion. The concept belong to a person is called his matam. Mama abhimatam. What is abhimatam?
My wish.
My wish. What is matam here?
My
Religion?
idea.
no. Yeah.
Matam is not a religion, Swami. It is idea. If it is followed by many people, it turn into religion. What is Buddha's matam? Buddha's mati, his matam, followed by many people, become
Buddhism. Yeah.
okay. Matam.
so Bhanumati or is it Bhanumati?
Bhanumati. What is Bhanumati? What is Bhanu? Bhanu,
Surya.
sun god.
So, yeah.
Bhanumati, a mind like sun god. How sun god looks? Glorious. So glorious minded. Bhanumati.
That's a
Charumati is
dirgha-
another word. Charumati.
Is that a Dirgha Ikaranta in those cases? Bhanumati.
No,
Charumati?
short I believe.
No. Actually, mati shabda is ikaranta. But is Bhanumati is also ikaranta only, na?
Okay.
Ikaranta, Strilinga, Bhanumati shabda.
Why are we changing for Parvati then to Parvati?
Ikaranta, basic shabda itself is ikaranta.
Okay.
The basic shabda of Gauri or Parvati, Nadi or Dirgha ikaranta.
Okay.
Mati is Hrasva ikaranta.
Okay.
Yeah, if it was Parumati, then it might be Parumati.
Pardon?
No, if the name were to be Parumati, then
Parvati. Parumati is, the word will not sink. Charumati is there. What is Charumati? The mind filled with rasam. Charu is beauty.
Oh, is the Pappachara came from there?
That's what I said. That's not Charu. Charu means Saundaryam. Charu Sheela. What is Charu Sheela? Sheelam, character. Charu Sheela,
Beautiful character.
beautiful character. Yeah. So that is the beauty in language. So add some other word. Not
Indumati.
Charu is actually it's Tamil and Telugu word actually. The Telugu word actually.
Indumati, or how is the
What is Indumati? Very good. Beautiful question. What is Indumati? Swami, who is Indumati?
Parvati.
No.
Indumati Parvati.
Indumati is a wife of Aja Maharaja, who is the grandfather of Rama. Dasharatha's father is Aja Maharaja, whose wife is Indumati. Okay, Mati is again brain. What is Indu?
Moon. Isn't it?
Moon. Very good. What is Indumati? Moon-minded, cool-minded,
Cool-minded.
bright-minded. So take the character, not that word actually. So character, mind.
There are any other matis here?
Charumati. Sumati.
Yep.
What is Sumati?
Good.
Good-minded. Kumati.
Is bad-minded?
Yeah, Ku is actually a wicked one. Kumati. In Panchatantra, you find different names like this. Mati, added with Mati. Buddhimati.
Acharya,
Swami.
Umapati.
Umapati.
Is that Pullinga?
Umapati. Umayaha pati.
Ma's husband.
Umapatihi.
So the
It's
word
similar to Hari.
Similar to Hari. Pati
Yeah,
Shabda.
but
Patihi pati patayaha. Pati Shabda is Pumlinga or Strilinga, Swami?
is Pullinga.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. But that
Okay.
is Pati or Pati?
Swami?
Is that Pati or Pati?
Oh, Pati, Ikaranta Pumlinga only.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
No, it's a short Pati.
Yeah.
What short?
That is Pumlinga.
Is it short ending or
Hrasva ikaranta.
Rasva. See, every pati shabda itself is rasva ikaranta. You add anything before.
okay?
Whether it is Umapati or Ramapati or Lakshmipati or anything here, pati shabda is pumlinga. Na?
Okay.
So even Jayanti is like this, right?
Jayanti
Mati.
Dirgham.
Okay.
Jayanti, if it is a lady, is Jayanti. If it
Okay.
is just Jayanti, is like a birthday, is Jayanti.
I see.
That is, so Jayanti is a noun, Jayanti is a verb. Jayanti te sukrutino rasa siddha kavishvara. Jayanti, they will be always victorious. That is a dhatu.
Okay.
Okay? Jayanti, if it is a girl name called, it is Dirgha.
I see.
Vardhanti.
Acharya-ji.
Jayantya, Swami.
Is it fair to say that Pullinga is Hrasva generally and the Strilinga is ends with Dirgha?
Obviously, that's what I said, no? Somewhere
Okay.
something may come, but generally
Some
all,
exceptions are there, but yeah.
generally all 99% Pumlingas are Hrasvantas only. That is Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Chakaranta. So all consonant ending or vowel ending. Now we are only in vowel ending shabdas. There are many consonant ending shabdas also. Virat, Takaranta. Yeah. Okay. So now come to the Gaurim Dadami. Gaurim Dadami. I'm giving it to Gauri.
Can you zoom in, Acharya ji?
Zoom in. Okay. Gaurim Dadami, giving to Gauri. Gauriya Gachami. Gauriya, going with or going by. Okay. Gauriya. Instead of Gauriya, change any word.
Nadya.
Nadia, what you are doing? What you are doing along with Nadi? Nadia Jivami. Living with Nadi. Going with Nadi. Nadia Khadami. Okay. Kim Khadasi. What you are eating with Nadi? Nadi is a lady. Nadi is a beautiful girl. What you are doing with her? What you are eating with her?
Ice cream khadami.
Okay. You wanna, what we should call it as ice cream?
Hima,
Shitala Khandam.
Shitalakhandam, Hima, something.
Okay. Himakhandam.
It's not
Okay.
a khandam though. Hima cream is not a khandam.
Himachuriam.
Himalayam.
Himapishtam. Himalayam. Okay.
aham chalati nadya.
Aham
Chalati nadya.
Nadya saha chalami.
I'm walking by the river.
Aham Nadya saha chalami.
Yeah, Nadya here is a noun. I guess we are not talking in the sense of the river here, I guess, but it's.
Okay, if it is river also, if I'm going along with the river, na? I'm walking along with the river. Alongside. Okay.
Alongside.
Sometimes. Okay. Next, Gauribhyam, Gauribhihi is Bahuvachanam. Okay. Nadibhihi. Nadibhihi Jivami. I'm living with the rivers. Gauriyai. Instead of Haraye, Haraye Namaha. Gauriyai Namaha. Namaste for Gauri. Okay. Gauriyai Dadami. I'm giving it for Gauri. Pushpam Gauriyai Dadami. Change the word, change the dhatu. Aham.
Jananyai Pruchami.
Jananyai Pruchami. Fantastic.
Aham Parvatyai Gachami. I'm coming for. Can we say that?
You can add some other thing also. Ikaranta Shabda Shravanti also. Okay. Shravanti, Shravantyau, Shravantyah. Shravantim, Shravantyau, Shravantyah. Shravantya Jivami. Shravantibhyam, Shravantibhi. Shravantiyai Dadami Bahumanam. Kim Bahumanam Dadasi?
Vajrabharanam.
Sarve Vajrabharananyeva.
No. Just keep it to samosa chart.
Okay. Santyai alpaharam dadami. सर्वे वज्रहाराणि दास्यन्ति भवान् भोजन आहारं दास्यन्ति. वाव, उत्तमम्.
What's the meaning of Shravanti?
Huh?
What's the meaning of Shravanti?
Shravati, flow.
Yeah, it's
Shravana. If it is Shravana, Shravanti is listened, being heard.
like the sound wave. Very
If
good.
it is Sra, only Sa, it is which flows. Like liquid flowing is Sravati. Sravati, Shravanti. Okay,
The wave.
flow, which flows. If it is Shra, is Shravanti. Okay. Okay. Shravantyai, Nadyai, Gauryai dadami. For. Okay. Panchami is Shravantyaha agachami. Gauryaha prasadam. Prasadam from Gauri. Bharyayaha, this is Bharya again Akaranta. Akaranta Strilinga. Now we are in Ekaranta. Okay. Saraswati. Saraswatyaha prasadam. Prasadam from Saraswati. Prasadam of Saraswati. Both are here. Saraswatyaha lokaha. Gauryaha patihi. Nadyaha sthanam. What is Nadyaha sthanam?
Bathing in the river.
Place of river. Nadyaha sthanam. It's not snanam.
Place.
Sthanam.
Can we use Dvivachanam, Acharyaji?
Nadyam snanam. Nadyam saptami vibhakti. I am taking bath in the river, na? Nadyam snanam. If it is Shashti, Nadyaha, Saptami, Nadyam. Nadinam, Gaurinam, Nadinam. Nadinam Jalam, water of rivers.
Saptami
Now-
Vibhakti Nadi
Swami,
Nadyoha, right?
what?
Saptami Vibhakti Dvivachana Nadi
Nadyoho,
Nadyoho.
Nadyoho, Gauryoho, Shravantyoho, Saraswatyoho.
Okay.
So this one is basically Gauryoho is same as the Pradama and Vitiya for Shashti and Saptami also. Oh, there is a
Gauriyai, na? Gauriyau,
Okay, okay.
Gauri, Gauriyau,
Gauryo. There is no Gauryaha.
Gauryoho.
Gauryoho. Okay.
Gauriyau, Gauryoho. He is Gauri, Gauriyau, Gauryam, Gauryoho. Gaurishu. Gaurishu Bhakti. Bhakti. Okay. So next one is Ukaranta. Just it is simple as
So,
Ukaranta.
Acharya ji,
Amma.
so what's if you go back, so for the Ikaranta, what is the difference between the neuter gender versus the male, the Puman, Pumlinga, and Strilinga?
Hari Shabda. Nadi Shabda.
No. What is the neutral gender?
Neutral
The
gender
neutral-
Ikaranta.
yeah. What is the difference? Because you said for the Akaranta, Vana, there is only Prathama and Dvitiya, they are different. Here for
Okay.
the neutral gender, what is different?
There is another word, ma. Just simple, same difference is not there. It follows the same as Pumlinga. First and second will change.
With minor changes.
I'll tell you the example. Vari Shabda, I told you, no, Vari, Varini, Varini.
Yeah.
Vari,
Vari,
Varini,
Varini.
Varini remain Varina, Varibhyam, Varipihi, Varine,
Okay.
Varibhyam, Varibhya. Varinaha,
So it will
Varibhyam,
be-
Varibhyaha, Varinaha, Varinoho, Varinam, Varini, Varinoho, Varishu.
So for Akaranta, it was Vanam, Vane, Vanani. So for
Yeah.
Ikaranta, it will be Vari, Varini, Varini.
Ending is same, na?
Okay.
Vanam, Vane, Vanani, Akaranta, ma, Vari, Varini,
Ramana,
Varini.
వెళ్తున్నా
Okay, vari, varini, varini.
Okay.
Okay, now go to Guru. Guru Shabda, this comes like Guru and Madhu. Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni. Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni. Remaining is same. In the same way here, Guruhu, Vadhuhu. Dirgham, na? Vadhuhu, Vadhvau, Vadvaha. Vadhuhu, Gauri, Gauryau, Gauryah. Vadhuhu, Vadhvau, Vadvaha.
Is this ukara or ukara? Is it dirgha or rasva?
This is Dirgha only. Always Strilinga comes with Dirgha only.
Okay.
Gurum, Vadhu. Okay. Gurun, Vadhu. Vadhu. Vadhu is bride, na? Okay.
So
Vadhu.
Pradhama Vibhakti is Vadhuhu, and this also Bahuvachanam is Vadhuhu. Dvitiya.
Yeah.
They both are same.
In everywhere it is same, na? Gauri, Sita, Sita.
But there is at least a difference there. But these two are looking similar.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Guruna, Gachami. Vadhva, along with the bride, Gachami. Okay. Vadhubhihi. This is a very rare word, generally we don't use. With Raja, Vadhubhihi agacchati. King is coming with brides. Because king used to have Rajanaha, Bahubharyanaha. King used to have many wives. No? So, okay. Gurave for Guru. Vadhvai. Gurave Vadhvai. Vadhvai dasyami. I am giving it for Vadhu. Aham mama putram varam Vadhvai dasyami. What it means, Swami? Aham mama putram varam Vadhvai Lakshmiyai dasyami.
What is Dasityam?
Dasyami. Giving.
Oh, giving. Okay.
Dadami. Instead of dasyami, dadami.
Pradhama.
Dasyami is going to give. Dadami is giving. Na?
Pradhama.
Yeah, dasyami, I'm going to give. Dadami, giving. Aham mama putram varam vadhvai dadami.
So dashyami is the future tense of dadami.
Dadami.
I'm going to give my son, what did you say?
Vadhu.
Vadhvai. Where you stuck, mother? Aham mama putram varam vadhvai dasyami.
Very complicated.
No,
I'm going to give my,
aham. Tell me individually. Aham. I.
My son.
Mama
son.
putram varam.
Wish for
Vara is groom. Vara is bride. Bridegroom.
Oh, okay, Vara Puja. Yeah.
Vara
that's where
puja.
the
Very
confusion.
good.
Vara means I
Varam.
was thinking a wish, a boon.
No.
Okay. Vara means a bride.
Vara is a bridegroom. Okay. Vadhvai dasyami. To why I'll give my son to Vadhu if it is not, if he is not a Vara. That's right. Okay. Next, Guroho. Sorry. Vadhvaha. Vadhvaha, Vadhubhyam, Vadhubhya. Both are same again. Vadhvaha, Vadhvaha. Off and from and off. Vadhvaha vivahaha. What is the Vadhvaha vivahaha?
Bride's wedding.
Very good. Vadhvaha varaha.
Bride's groom.
That's it. Until marriage, he is groom. Afterwards, he is broom. Okay. Vadhvaha. Vadhunam vivahaha. What is Vadhunam vivahaha?
So what does it mean?
Vadhunam. Shashti Vyakti Bahuvachanam. What is Shashti? Of
possession.
Vadhunam vivahaha.
The wedding of many
Wedding of
Many
brides.
brides.
Vadhvam Saundaryam. In
Bride is beautiful.
no, beauty in bride.
Okay, okay. Beauty of the bride.
In the bride.
Okay.
Vadhvaha Saundaryam.
Beauty from
That-
the bride.
Vadhvaha of. Vadhvaha Saundaryam. Beauty of the bride is Vadhvaha Saundaryam. Vadhvam Saundaryam, beauty in the bride. In, of, always of Shashti. Saptami, in and on. This is simple. Next one is very simple. Rukarantah pumlingaha pitru shabdaha. Rukarantah strilingaha matru shabdaha. Rukaranta is always a dirgha. There is no hrasva in it. Rukara is always a dirgha. Now you can find it easily. Repeat after me. Pita pitarau pitaraha.
Pita pitarau pitaraha.
Very good. Pitaram pitarau pitrun.
Pitaram
Oh,
pitarau pitru.
Okay, here it is he pitaha, he pitarau, he pitara sambodhana is given below. Okay. Pitaram pitarau pitrun. Pitra pitrubhyam pitrubhihi. Pitre pitrubhyam pitrubhyaha.
Pitre pitrubhyam pitrubhyah.
Pituh pitrubhyam pitrubhyaha.
Pitu pitrubhyam pitrubhyah.
Pituh pitroho pitrunam.
Pitu pitroh pitrunam.
Pitari pitroho pitrushu.
Pitari pitroh.
This is Pumlinga Pitru Shabda Rukaranta. Now come to Mata. Mata Matarau Mataraha.
Mata matarau mataraha.
Mataram Matarau Matruhu.
Mataram matarau matruhu.
It should be with Visarga.
Yeah.
Okay. Matra Matrubhyam Matrubhihi.
Matra matrubhyam matrubhihi.
Matre Matrubhyam Matrubhyaha.
Matre matrubhyam matrubhyah.
Matuhu Matrubhyam Matrubhyaha.
Matuhu matrubhyam matrubhyah.
Matuhu Matroho Matrunam.
Matuhu matroho matrunam.
Matari Matroho Matrushu.
Matari matroho matrushu.
He Pitaha.
He pitah.
He Mata.
He mata.
That's it. Difference. Now tell me what is difference in Pitru Shabda? Where you can find? Same. Only Dvivachana, Dvitiya Bahuvachanam, Pitrun, Matru. Sambodhana, He Pitaha, He Mata. That's it. Now, you tell me Matru Shabda, I'll tell the Pitru Shabda. Pita, Pitaro, Pitaraha.
Mata
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 matarau.
matarau mataraha.
Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitrun.
Mataram, Matarau,
Matruhu.
Matruhu.
Okay. Pitra, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhihi.
matra
Matrubhyam,
Fantastic. Pitre, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyaha.
matre
Matre matrubhyam matrubhyam.
Pituhu, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyaha.
matuhu matrubhyam matrubhyah.
Very good. Pituhu, Pitroho, Pitrunam.
Matuhu matroho matrunam.
Pitari, Pitroho, Pitrushu.
Matari matroho matrushu.
Fantastic. He Pitaha.
He mata.
Mata. Very good. He Pitaro, He Pitaraha.
He matarau.
Now we'll form some sentences here. Pita Gacchati.
Mata gacchati.
Very good. Pita Karyalayam Gacchati.
Mata karyalayam gacchati.
Okay. Pita Karyalayam Udyogardham Gacchati.
Mata
Karyalayam Udyog.
Kutumba Poshanardham Gacchati. Change anything, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Aham Pitaram Namami.
Aham
Mataram.
Namami.
Mataram.
Mataram namami.
namami or bhajami. Okay, aham pitaram namami, aham mataram bhajami.
Bhajami.
Anything is
Yeah.
fine. Okay, aham pitra gacchami. What it means?
Aham.
I'm going to my
Pitra, tritiya. What is tritiya? Two words are there. Tritiya. By, with. Pitra gacchami.
I'm going with my father.
Very good. Aham pitra chalanachitra gacchami.
Watching movie with my father.
For the movie. Okay. Chalanachitra darshanardham gacchami. Okay. Aham pitra udyanavanam gacchami.
I'm going to the garden with my
Aham pitra udyanavanam kriditum gacchami. Tumun prachaya. You remember tumun?
Yes. To
What is tumun?
do.
Very good. Fantastic, Swami. Aham pitra udyanavanam kriditum gacchami. Form sentence like this with matra.
Aham matra
Hmm.
mandiram prardhanam gacchami.
Prardhitum. Tumun prardhitum gacchami.
Kriditum prardhitum gacchami.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Very good. Matrubhihi. What is matrubhihi? With the mothers.
Plural, yeah.
How many mothers we have? I think I told you one day. Everyone will have 5 mothers and 5 fathers in different situations. Okay. So, matre, aham, matre, vijayam sadhayami.
For
There are few people who achieved success to just dedicate for mothers. My mother want me to be a doctor, like doctorate. So I completed my PhD for my mother. So aham matre vijayam sadhayam. What it means?
I
Achieved success for my mother.
Very good. Tell me something with pitre in the same process. Pitre dadami. Giving for father. What you are giving? Again, aham.
aham pitre bahumanam gacchami.
Fantastic. Kim bahumanam dadasi?
Vastram.
Aham pitre vastram bahumanam dadami. Kim vastram? Color.
Neela vastram.
Aham, again, form a sentence.
aham pitre neelavastram gacchami.
Neela vastram.
Bahumanam gacchami.
Bahumanam
Dada.
Bahumanam. Dada.
dadami. Wait, once again, frame the sentence again.
Aham
Aham pitre
Kamji, aham.
aham pitre neelavastram bahumanam dadami.
Dada.
Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Super, super. Very good. Pituhu from off. Now tell me the Sashti Bhakti. Pituhu. Pituhu belong to father. It's called Pitrugruham. Do you ever heard Pitrugruham?
Yeah.
Paternal, Pitru, Pita, paternal. Is there any similarity between paternal and father and Pitru?
Yeah, they sound the same words, yeah.
Matru, maternal.
Maternal.
So these words come as the base of Sanskrit. Okay. Pituhu Gruham. Sashti Bhakti, what it is? Pituhu Gruham.
Of my dad's,
Father's
my dad's house.
Aham, form it is. Where are you going?
Aham Pitrugruhe gacchami.
Gruham.
Gruham. Pitrugruham gacchami.
Gachami. Fantastic. Kimardham.
Bahumanam.
Tell me another other things, Swami. Shashti Purtyardham.
Wow.
Janmadinardham.
Fantastic. Any other?
Darshanardham.
Very good. Super. Aham. Form a sentence. Aham.
Aham Pitrugruham Darshanardham.
Pitru Darshanartham.
Ah. Kasya Darshanardham. Aham Pitragraham.
Pitrugruham Pitru Darshanardham. Gacchami.
Very good. Kada gachasi, when you are going?
Shvaha gachami.
Very good. Shvaha, hyaha, adya.
Swaha means today. Today.
Adya.
That's today.
Adya is now.
Adya is today. Idanim is now. Idanim.
Okay.
Idanim is now. Okay. Adya gachasi. Kasmin sandarbhe?
Janmadina Sandarbhe.
Sankranti sandarbhe.
Oh, Kal Sankranti.
Sankranti Parvadina. Parvadina is actually festival. Okay. Sankranti Parvadina sandarbhe aham mama pitrugruham pitrudarshanardham janmadina mahotsave karmani gacchami. So adding new words make sentences with vibhaktis. That's it. I prepared a lot to tell Swami, but actually I'm very happy that I'm teaching slowly and steadily. But there are many things we need to learn. Upasargas, different things. I just prepared everything. But okay, we'll stop here for today. We'll meet in the next class. We'll learn some new concept called Upasargas. You will enjoy the class.
What is the meaning of Mata Pitrubhya?
What? Tell me, where is Bhyaha here?
Bhya is in two.
Yeah.
Third.
What is your meaning? Mata Pitrubhyam.
Mata Pitrubhya.
Or Mata Pitrubhyam. How many are mother and father? Will be always in Dvivachana.
Yeah.
Okay. If it is Pitarau, what is meant by Pitarau? Pitarau.
For yes.
Two fathers.
Two fathers.
Yeah.
Pitrubhyam.
Pitrubhyam. Two.
With fathers.
With fathers.
Generally, how many fathers will have? One
No,
only. Generally
not-
one. Generally
No,
one. Generally, we'll talk about one. In special occasion situations, we just make it in a Bahuvachana. Or
We are
else,
trying to-
whenever it is Pitarau, it is Mata Pitarau. What is Mata Pitarau? Both mother and father. What is Mata Pitrubhyam? Look at here. What is Mata Pitrubhyam? Mata, add Mata Pitrubhyam.
By and with.
I'm going with my parents.
Both
Mata
the
Pitrubhyam
parents.
gacchami. Mata Pitrubhyam khadami. Mata Pitrubhyam kridami. Mata Pitrubhyam chalami. Mata Pitrubhyam basami. If it is for Mata Pitrubhyam namaha. Mata Pitrubhyam dadami. Mata Pitrubhyam karomi.
Yeah.
Mata Pitrubhyam pathami. I'm reading, studying for my parents. Okay, here it is Pitrubhyam from. Mata
From
Pitrubhyam pustakam swikaromi. Mata Pitrubhyam bhiksham swikaromi. Mata Pitrubhyam from parents, from mother and father. So, what is Pitrubhyam? Add mother. According to the case, according to the vibhakti, the meaning changes. This is by and with, for, from.
But recently in a marriage,
Mhm.
the priest was saying Vadhu Varubhya. What is that? Vadhu
Vadhu varabhyam. Vara
Varabhya.
Shabda is Pumlinga again.
Okay.
What is Vara Ramabhyam? Add Vadhu here. Vadhu Varabhyam. Varaha Varau Varaha Varam Varau Varan Varena Varabhyam.
He is not even saying Varabhyam. He is saying only Varabhya. Bahuvachan.
See, Varabhyam will not be there, Swami.
Will not be
Vadhu
there.
Varabhyam.
Vadhu
Because only
Varabhya.
one Vara will be sitting.
Yeah.
If it is pronouncing wrong, it means you don't know Sanskrit.
Okay. Yeah.
Only
Yeah,
one Vara,
in-
Vadhu Varabhyam. You know, a small secret. Let me tell you something good, and I'll stop here. Do you ever heard of a Padyam, Shlokam, or Mangala Mantram called Mangalyam Tantuna Nena Mama Jivana Hetuna?
Yes,
Do you ever know that?
yes, yes.
Repeat it
Everyone
if
knows.
possible. I think you might have said it long ago.
Okay.
Mangalyam tantunanena mama divana hetuna.
Mama?
Mama divana hetuna.
What is Mama
Mama
later?
Jeev-
Mama next?
Mama Jivana.
Mama jivana, right?
Mama Jivana.
Hetuna.
Okay. Jivana Hetuna. You forgot, Swami.
Yep.
Yeah.
Kanthe Badhnami Subhage. Tvam Jiva
Sahajivana.
Sharadam.
Sahajivana.
Hey, Tvam Jiva Sharadam Shatam. I'll tell you something. New slide. Open it. See, this is Mangalyam.
We don't see anything.
Just a second. I'm just okay. You are not able to see anything. Means I did not share it. Yeah, now able to see, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, now we can.
Tantunanena mama jivana hetuna kanthe
Badre.
badhnami subhage tvam jiva sharadam shatam. This is a shloka. Okay. Oh, yeah. This is shloka, Swami. Mangalyam tantunanena mama jivana hetuna kanthe badhnami subhage tvam jiva sharadam shatam. This is actually Mangalyam Tantuna. It is mistake actually. It should be Mangalya. Sorry. Many people don't know this. Mangalya Tantuna. It should be a single word. Okay. Mangalya named Tantu is a thread. Mangalya Tantuna. Anena. Anena. What is Anena? This. By this. With this. Mangalya Tantu named this Anena. Okay. Mama Jivana Hetuna. This should be told by the groom to the bride.
Jivana Hetuna means?
Mama Jivana, my Jivana Hetu, source of my life. This Mangalya Tantu is source of my life. This itself is my life. Anena, what I am doing, Kanthe Badhnami. Kanthe Badhnami.
Putting it on
What I'm doing? I'm
neck.
Badhnami or Bandhanami?
Badhnami. Badhna. Badhnati. Okay. Kanthe Badhnami Subhage. Oh dear. Okay. Mangalya Tantuna Anena Mama Jivana Hetuna Kanthe Badhnami Subhage. Tvam Jiva Sharadam Shatam. This is a beautiful word. Tvam, you. What is Tvam?
You.
Jiva. Jiva is?
Life.
Live.
Live. You live.
Live.
Shatam.
100.
Sharat. Sharat Kala is? Winter seasons.
100
You live
seasons.
100
You should
winters.
live 100 winter seasons. What it means?
100 years.
100 years. Okay. Mangalya Tantuna Anena. With the Mangalya Tantu. With this Mangalya thread, which is Mama Jivana Hetu, my life source, I am tying it to your throat. Okay. Kanthe Badhnami to the neck. Tvam Jiva Sharadam Shatam. You should live for 100 years. This should be told by, this should be chanted by
Groom.
why? Because there is a word called Mama. Understand very clearly. Mangalya Tantuna Anena Mama Jivana Hetuna Kanthe Badhnami Subhage oh dear, I'm tying it to your neck as an ornament. Tvam jiva sharadam shatam. You live for long age. Okay, like 100 Vasanta Kala, Sharad Kalas.
Swami, can you explain why mama signifies that?
That's what I'm telling. If it is a mantra with mama, groom should tell.
If it
What
is
a priest
otherwise
should
not the
tell.
priest. Yeah.
What a priest should tell. If priest is repeating again, Mangalyam Tantuna Nena, Mama Jivana Hetuna, what it means, every marriage?
Is married.
So what it should be? The same shloka should be repeated like this. Mangalyatantuna Nena. If I'm asking him to repeat it, I can ask, Bolo beta, Mangalyam, okay, Tantuna, Anena, okay, Mama, he tells Mama, that's fine. Afterwards, when he just shouts in mic, what he should tell?
Taha jivana.
Tava Jivana Hetuna. What it is, Badhanami? What is Badhanami? You should tell, what is Badhanami?
I am tying. I am.
What if I should tell?
Thai.
Badhanati.
He is tying Badhanati Subhage. Oh dear, he is tying the knot to you. He is. Here Tava is a girl.
Yes.
Badhanati is a boy. Tvam Jiva. Here Tvam is you both. Jiva. It is instead of Tvam, it should be like Sahajiva Sharadam Shatam.
Okay.
Do we still need Shubhage?
Required, yes. Subhage is.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm telling to the girl, telling that, oh dear, Subhage, he is tying a knot. I can tell like this, na? Mangalya Tantuna Anena Tava Jivana Hetuna, for your life. Okay? Kanthe Badhanati, this boy is tying a knot. You both live 100 years. I can tell it, na? Sahajiva Sharadam